Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to set up a system where our code continuously renders our circle onto the canvas, and it's going to render it based on what our X and Y values are. So it's our code over here, which is rendering our circle. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap that into a function. Okay. And then we're going to use the set interval method. Okay, so set interval is a lot like add event listener in that it's expecting this this function definition. So we could just put all this code here over here, but again, just to make it a little bit simpler, we're just going to write our function here. And what we want to do is we want to render that onto the canvas every 10 milliseconds, I think. Okay, so now let's have a look what happens when we press our up key. Okay, so we can see it's actually rendering another circle onto the canvas. So as I'm pressing up, it's going down because remember, as the Y value increases, it actually goes down down visually on the page here. Okay, and then we can see we're running into the end of our canvas there. So it's quite a, if we don't want the last one to stay on the canvas, then we can just put in this clear rect function. And the way that one works is it actually clears everything that we enter in here. So we're going to start at 0, 0, and we're going to go okay, just missing one comma there. All right, and then let's see what this does. Okay. Oh, I see. That's got to be on our context. Okay. Yeah, and we can see now it's only rendering the new Y coordinate on there. Okay. So let's just put in a little bit more functionality here. So we'll just we'll get rid of that. Okay, and we'll just set up a couple more of these statements here. So we'll go if arrow down, we'll go y equals y minus 10. Arrow right, say x equals x plus 10. And arrow left, x equals x minus 10. Okay. Okay, so we can see when we do our left and when we do our right, we're moving around our ball like that. Okay, so that's how we create the motion. And then we're just going to do a couple of things just to get a few finishing touches on there to look more like the example.